So that's Penny, the operations manager. Now you say that
Penny's pecan pie.
Penny's pecan pie here.
Yeah.
Guys, if you look, it's got Penny on the label.
Yep.
Well, being that Penny's the manager and you claim you do tastings.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This guy didn't clean up.
No.
I mean, come on. That's a lot of fun.
Oh yeah. Exactly.
Could we try a Penny's pecan pie?
Yeah, we can do another one. Yep. I'll do one with you.
Now, come on. What owner's going to sit there at 1 o'clock?
The cool thing about this one is a portion of proceeds go to animal rescues to help save the lives of cats and dogs.
So you're actually helping animals
Exactly.
with every
jar.
Every jar. So guys, this company is legit.
Oh,
we help people. They help people. They help animals.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers,
and people.
brother. And people.
Hey, cheers. Gotta try it, guys.
Oh, that's good, guys. That's really good.
Yeah.
Where can we find you?
You can find us here at in the foothills of North Carolina, South Mountain Distilling. You can find us online at moonshineinternational.com. You can order your spirits, have them delivered to your home.
Oh, really?
And also, we're in 6 states: North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, and Alabama.
So we just go right to the website and just order it and have it shipped.
SouthMountainDistilling.com.
All right, guys, you heard it.
Yep.
So, my friend, I appreciate it.
Pleasure, man.
We'll chat a little bit, then
Sounds good.
we'll hit the road.
There you go.
Talk to you later, guys.
See ya.
Bye.